Hello, in this video I want to show you how to apply this grinding plate to WORX WX803. And to do this, first we'll need to insert the bottom screw like this. Make sure that it sits well. Then we need to apply the plate, and it should go in like this, so you can there's a sticker right here. Make sure that it's on the other side, so just place it like that, and then we can take the screw. It should go with the outer side in this way, and then we can start screwing it in. It also comes with this tool that you can take like this and make sure that it's well screwed in, like so. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.